Welcome back to PT Car Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news, honest reviews, and everything you need to know before you buy your next car. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander SUV, a vehicle that continues to evolve in both style and performance. The 2025 Outlander makes a bold impression right from the start, with its aggressive front fascia, wide grille, and signature LED lighting. Mitsubishi has refined the exterior design just enough to keep it fresh, while maintaining the rugged character that fans of the Outlander have come to love. The new alloy wheel options and a refreshed color palette add to its upscale appearance, making it stand out in a crowded SUV market. Under the hood, the Outlander offers a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 181 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission. While not a performance beast, it delivers smooth and responsive driving for everyday use. All-wheel drive is available, enhancing stability and traction in challenging weather or terrain. For those seeking more efficiency, the plug-in hybrid variant continues to be a strong choice, offering electric-only driving for short commutes and great fuel economy overall. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 Outlander feels more refined than ever. Quality materials, a user-friendly layout, and soft touch surfaces create a premium feel. The standard 8-inch infotainment screen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while higher trims get a larger 9-inch display with navigation and a digital driver display. Mitsubishi has also improved sound insulation, resulting in a quieter ride. The Outlander seats up to 7 passengers with its third-row seating, although the last row is best suited for children. Cargo space is generous when the rear seats are folded down, making it a practical choice for families. Safety is also a priority, with a comprehensive suite of driver assist features standard, including lane departure warning, forward collision, mitigation, and blind spot monitoring. Pricing for the 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander starts around the low $30,000 range, making it a competitive option for those looking for style, space, and solid features without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a dependable SUV that balances practicality with modern tech and comfort, the 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review here at PT Car Reviews. Thanks for watching and drive safe.